Home Improvement Edition. Hey, hey,
You're having too much fun, thank you.
yeah.
Hey, meal preppers, Paul and Amy behind camera coming at you here. Mealprep.com, guys, download our meal prep app. If you haven't, you may already have. Because
At
you
the
see
mess.
this video. I don't know. Let's see, guys. Look at this little lovely flower arrangement Amy made
I had to
today.
do something pretty in the middle
Yeah.
of the mess.
When we were shopping, she picked up some flowers. Guys, we we're busy. We're still busy. Moving just kind of stinks. Just don't realize how much you've got. But we did a pretty good job this weekend of breaking it down. Second post from our kitchen team. We're so excited, and I just kind of looked at recipes last night and picked out what I like the best.
I didn't even argue. I was just like, sure.
Yeah, I saw one of them before, and when we get to it, I'm gonna be pretty excited because the sauce was amazing.
Yes.
But let's start over here. We got a power bowl right here, a veggie power bowl. What makes it powerful is all the great veggies. No, it's got quinoa and kale, some grains and some good protein there. And then we've got some sweet, actually it's butternut squash with Brussels sprouts and then some avocados. So you got some healthy fats, some good carbs. Just all around a good power bowl. That'll help you, especially for lunch, not drain out from the afternoon. This will be a good lunch dish for
Complex carbs, fiber,
yeah.
healthy fat, protein, good stuff.
She's nailing it
Powerful.
right there. What's kind of cool about this is the Brussels are roasted in adobo sauce, but it's broken down with a nice honey mustard dressing over there. So you've got a little heat that's kind of tamed down with the dressing. So that's going to be phenomenal. I can't wait for that. This is one that I saw kind of a while ago, and I was like, I don't know. Let's try it out though. But this is a strawberry basil chicken. So we've got some strawberry jam with balsamic vinegar. Mix that up, and then you cook your chicken, put that mixture over there at the end, let it bubble up, let it thicken. Just sit there and just drench it over and over and over. Take a little spoonful for
Basting.
yourself. Basting is what they call it. I call it drenching because it was, but then take a couple of spoonfuls for
testing.
yourself. Oh my gosh, it was
It
so
was
good.
good.
Strawberry jam and balsamic vinegar. I didn't know. It's so good. Topped it with fresh basil and goat cheese. We got some brown rice in here. And then I forgot to get a veggie at the store.
Totally
Guys,
forgot.
it happens. I was like, I knew I need to pair this with a veggie. Completely forgot. So what do we have left in the kitchen? We had some zucchini left. We got some carrots that we're going to be pulled from the next recipe. We had some mini peppers, and then we put it on a bed of spinach. So that'll be great. We got
steamed the carrots, sauteed the zucchini and peppers, and dumped them on top of some spinach. And if you've been following us, you know it'll wilt down when you microwave it.
So
That's all we had. It's weird, but gotta have your veggies in there.
Yep, I put Amy in charge of that. I'm like, find a veggie. But we got plenty of veggies over here, so that'll make
Yes.
up for it. What's going to be over here,
This
team?
is invisible stew.
Amy, you're going to have to come over here.
Okay, I will.
We have got a sweet potato stew happening here because I want fall to hurry up and get here. So we've got obviously some stew meat, sweet potatoes, carrots, celery, onion, fire roasted diced tomatoes, all in there with some beef broth, and then we're going to add the corn at the end. Just a simple stew that's really just half and half of beef and sweet potato. Fall, hurry up and get here.
And our helper, as always.
Yeah, there was one point we had all 3 dogs in here, and of course we're just like
Yep.
doing the old.
It's real life,
doing the
guys.
old spread
Real
legs.
life.
But team, let us know what you think about these 3 dishes. I know you're gonna love this strawberry chicken and basil. The power bowls are gonna be great. Like I said, good lunch meal. So that's it, guys.
Extreme close up. Got to figure out the
I gotta shave.
the cinematography in this new setup here, guys. See you later.